Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by closing Steam and any running games so files aren't locked. Once done, backup mods or saves to a safe folder. Next, open Steam, navigate to Library, right-click the game, choose Properties and Local Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files to scan checksums and compare each file to the servers. This process diagnoses corrupted or missing files and primes Steam to download only what's wrong. Make sure you have stable internet before continuing. Once verification flags problems, Steam will queue re-downloads automatically. Watch the Downloads panel and disk write activity. If downloads stall or fail, clear the download cache in Steam settings under Downloads and restart Steam to force fresh transfers. Make sure Steam runs as administrator so file writes aren't blocked, and add your Steam folder to antivirus exclusions because real-time scans can corrupt installers. These middle steps resolve permission, cache, and interference issues. After re-downloads complete, rerun file verification to confirm 0 corrupted entries remain. This validates the repair. If the game still errors, move the install to a different drive via Properties right arrow Local Files, right arrow Move Install Folder to force a fresh file layout. As a final step, uninstall the game, delete its leftover folder, then reinstall. Keep your backed up saves and mods to restore afterward. Troubleshooting tip. If recurring corruption happens, check disk health, SMART, and RAM.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.